Welcome to the world of TypeScript. TypeScript is a powerful and versatile programming language that builds upon JavaScript by adding static types and other features. This tutorial is designed to introduce you to the fundamental concepts of TypeScript and help you get started with coding in this language. Table of contents. What is TypeScript? Installing TypeScript. Basic types. Variables and constants. Functions. Control flow. Interfaces and classes. Modules and namespaces. 1. What is TypeScript? TypeScript is a statically typed superset of JavaScript that allows you to write more reliable and maintainable code by catching errors at compile time rather than runtime. It introduces the concept of types, which specify the kind of data that a variable can hold. TypeScript code is transpiled into JavaScript, making it compatible with all modern browsers and environments. 2. Installing TypeScript. To get started with TypeScript, you need to install the TypeScript compiler using Node.js and npm, Node Package Manager. Open your terminal and run the following command. npm install g-TypeScript. This installs the TypeScript compiler globally on your system, allowing you to compile TypeScript files anywhere. 3. Basic types. TypeScript provides several basic types to define variables. Number represents numeric values. String represents textual data. Boolean represents true or false values. Null and undefined represent absence of value. Any represents any type, used sparingly. Void represents the absence of a return value. Example: let age, number equals 25. Let name, string equals Alice. Let is active, Boolean equals true. Let value, any equals 42. Let nothing, void equals undefined. 4. Variables and constants. Declare variables using the let keyword and constants using the const keyword. Let message, string equals hello, TypeScript. Const pi, number equals 3.14159. 5. Functions. Functions allow you to encapsulate reusable blocks of code. Define functions using the function keyword. Function add, a, number, b, number. Return a plus b. Let result, number equals add, 5, 3. 6. Control flow. Control the flow of your program using conditional statements, if, else, switch, and loops. 4. While. If age greater than or equal to 18, console.log, you are an adult. Else, console.log, you are a minor. 4. Let I equals 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. Console.log, I. While, is active. / do something. Is active equals false. 7. Interfaces and classes. Interfaces define the shape of objects, while classes are blueprints for creating objects. TypeScript. Copy code. Interface person. Name, string. Age, number. Class student implements person. Constructor, public name, string, public age, number. 8. Modules and namespaces. Organize your code using modules and namespaces. Export function add, a, number, b, number. Return a plus b. Import, add, from /math. Let sum, number equals add, 10, 20. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've covered the foundational concepts of TypeScript. As you continue your journey, explore more advanced topics like generics, decorators, and advanced type usage. TypeScript's official documentation and online resources are excellent references to deepen your understanding. Happy coding! Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to see more such videos.